Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21, and today I'll show you how to put this device into safe mode. And to get started, let's hold the power key, and from here get introduced by Bixby, which it's not what I want, so let's just leave. And there we go. So when you pull that notification panel, we actually have the power key right here. Tap on it, and when you see all the three different boot options, what you want to do is hold power off, and this will basically change into safe mode. And as you can see, tap again to restart your phone into safe mode. Downloaded apps will be temporarily disabled to help you troubleshoot your phone. Oop, please don't reset. There we go. Let's try that again. There we go. So once we actually tap on it, it will initiate reboot, and once it's back on, it will be in safe mode. Now, also what it meant by the troubleshoot, for instance, as just a general example, if, for instance, your phone battery life is significantly diminished for some unknown reason, which just happened to you, and you're not sure if, for instance, some app is just using way too much of your battery, constantly running in the background, something like that, or if it's just your battery being damaged, you can run the device in safe mode. And if that problem still persists, then, well, you have a clear answer that it's the battery instead of some kind of app, because all the apps would be basically disabled from starting up, and they won't be able to actually run in the background. Now, once the device boots back up, you can see that we do have a watermark right here, safe mode. So this is simply to signify that we are right now in the desired mode. And let it boot up. There we go. So once it boots up, you can see that the widgets are even disabled from starting up. That's just so nothing is running. And that is how you boot into it. Now, when you're ready to leave this mode, all you need to do is again pull down the notification, tap on the power key, and this time around tap on restart. And this will simply restart the device, and once it's back on, it will go back to the normal mode. And there we go, we are now back in normal mode. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.